Welcome to the barn. Today, instead of working on something cool like a square body or a motorcycle or an ATV, I got to figure out where my Bobcat's leaking. Alright, so last time I was pushing snow with this, I noticed I was leaving a trail of brown liquid every time I used the hydraulics, so I think I got a hydraulic leak. I removed the bolts from the cab, so I'll tip that back and we'll see if we can get this figured out. Alright, looks really wet in here. I gotta have it running because I gotta be able to test it. Really close, right in there, you can see it. So I ordered the hose that goes back there to the pump, as well as this steel line that goes down yonder into here. I don't know how that thing comes in and out of there, but hopefully I'll be able to figure it out. So I've determined the best thing to do: cut a couple 2x4s, cut a piece of OSB to lay my gut on as I struggle to reach that nut. Holy Moses, way back there in the depths of the darkness. As you can tell by the state of my tools, I've done this project many a time, so this is pretty much second nature. Well, I got the lower nut broke free, as you can see, not spilling a drop. And I actually got this back one here. Man, I don't know. How can you even see that? I got that back nut cracked loose already. So instead of trying to get this flare nut to spin, which I know it's not, it's just going to break that steel line, I think I'm going to cut that off, loosen up this plastic clamp, and see if I can finagle that formed steel line out of there. The reason why I'm in such a hurry to do this is it's 45 degrees and it's supposed to snow starting tonight. Actually, it's supposed to rain first, then freeze, and then snow. So time is of the essence. I want to get this done before it's too late. Okay, status update. I used all the proper tools in order to remove that back nut. I was wrong. I did not get that flare nut loose. Instead, I got this, I don't know, fitting underneath it loosened up. So I'm going to take those both out, I think. Now this one mysteriously got removed out of the way. You can see right there. Alright, so down here attached to this hard line, up right about here, there's a clamp with a bolt that goes up yonder. And turn you around here, you can see, I think, let's see if I can point at it here. Way back in there, it's a bolt, no nut, just comes through that black bracket. So I got my powered ratchet. I got the bolt started with the hand ratchet. I'm going to see if I can get underneath there and zip her out. And a minute later, victory. Oh, I tore a glove. Well, I don't even know what to say, but a minute later I got it in there. It's not attached to anything, but I got it finagled that way. Okay, remember how I said I got that steel line in there in a minute? We'll multiply that by about 47. I had to take it in and out a bunch. It was pre-bent, close-ish, just not quite right. Getting this fitting on here was kind of a bear. I had to take it into the shop, put it in the vise, tweak it just a little bit. And I made the mistake of tweaking multiple bends at a time, and I should have just did one at a time, get it closer and closer. But I got her on there. Got the new one spliced in there. And then I got the fitting put in way back yonder. And standing on ice and slipping and falling on your umbilical hernia is just a wonderful pleasure to have on a, what is this, Wednesday night, trying to race a snowstorm. Got this flare nut back here tightened up. The fitting underneath there is what broke loose first. It's got an O-ring on it. Everything looked to be in good shape. Tightened that down first. Tighten this flare nut to it. Zigzag this hose back around, tighten her up. And I think I'm ready for a quick test run, so I'll do that and see what happens. I think I got everything good to go. Hopefully you can hear me. So I'll cycle the auxiliary hydraulics. When it was deadhead, that's when it tightens up. That's when it would really shoot out that fitting. Well, as you can tell here, I got her done in just the nick of time. She's dark. Good thing I got this yard light. Got all the tools picked up. It just goes to show you that with even the correct parts, sometimes you got to think outside the box, get creative, customize them to your needs. And just don't give up. Make it work. I had to buy a couple wrenches. It cost me 50 bucks, but I got those wrenches now for the rest of my life. I don't regret that. I always like having an excuse to buy tools. Otherwise, I got it topped off with fluid. Everything seems to be working great. I'm excited. Now I'm ready for the snowstorm to come in. As Pops would say, let's do something even if it's wrong. Thanks for watching.